Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to quickly restart Windows 10 File Explorer. For this, first click on this one Start button, then type here Notepad and click on this one Notepad entry. In Notepad window, copy and paste this one commands that you will find in this video description. Then click on this one File menu and in the drop down menu select Save As option. Beside file name type File Explorer Restart and then put a dot and type BAT under Save As Type drop down menu. Select all files, then click on this one Save button. Now close the Notepad window, and whenever you will need to restart File Explorer, just double click on this one File Explorer bash file that you have created just now. This will close the File Explorer and reopen it automatically on your Windows 10 PC.